Yes, YouTube, good morning and welcome back again. New week, new chances. The thing is, I thought yesterday that we could see a liquidity sweep during the weekly closeout, right? But there was no price action at all this morning at 5 or in New York afternoon at 5, right? So the thing is still, you can see that we're making a reversal now on the 1 hour and that we're making higher highs on the 15-minute and that we are in bullish order flow again. We saw a small divergence on the 50 minutes, so we're creating a swing low. It's Asia time now. Usually they dump the price actually to grab sell side liquidity to buy themselves in. Actually, that's what they do. So the thing is now at this moment we have to see certain levels got broken. Resistance levels need to be broken, need to become support to see more upside actually. So I want to show you guys some major or some strong resistance levels now at the moment. We need to break. The 50-minute is above the 200 moving average, so that means that we're holding actually and that we can expect upside from here on. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and I pulled my fib a little bit more accurate, and then you can see that this 618 fits more perfect than the one I showed you 2 days ago on the 8 hour on this swing low here, right? This one. But if you go to the 1 hour, you can see this sneaky swing low here, and you can see that this 786 fits more perfect and that this 618 is respected. When you're bullish and you see the 618 is respected, you can expect upside in a bull run, right? So the thing is now when we go to the 15-minute, you can see that Asia was dumping here after this divvy. So we retrace this 786 here, and that's holding now, but we have to see more upside actually. So the thing is, what happened here, when you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we're rejecting this 786 here on this swing low, right? So that's why we come down now at the moment. So our next resistance level is this 786 or this 786 actually. So you can see this 618. So we have to break this 618 first to come to the 786, grab sell side liquidity, come to the 618 to see more upside actually, right? If we go to the 4 hour and we grab the moving average with us, you can see that there's strong resistance here on the 50 line and the 100 line. So everything is possible from here on. We have to remain bullish again. We have to break certain resistance levels now. It's a good sign that we're seeing upside and that the 4 hour found support on the 21 moving average at the moment. I posted this setup yesterday on my X profile. Again, if you don't follow me on X, go follow me on X because I'm very active there and I keep you guys updated immediately when I see something happening in the market. You see, I expected the liquidity sweep here during the institutional weekly reset, actually the weekly closeout. But it's still possible that we come for sell side liquidity. Don't forget that, right? So the thing is, but I'm still expecting upside for BTC. This is the 618 fib 8 hour. But if you go to the this chart of BTC, you can see that I pulled my fib a little bit more better. So it's possible that we come to the 786 actually on the 1 hour on that swing low I showed you here, right? This one. So again guys, quick update on BTC. It's Monday, we can expect volume. We can also expect fake outs. Mondays are famous about fake outs because but Tuesday, Wednesday are the best days to trade actually, and Thursday. So guys, quick update on BTC. I want to show you guys how I came to this model actually on the 1 hour. You know, I showed you guys the 618 or the 786 on this local swing low on the 1 hour to see more upside eventually, because I checked the order book and there's more liquidity on the upside than on the downside, you know. So it should be nice and it should be good if we grab this pool of liquidity to fly up to this crazy pool actually here. And once we break all-time high again, yeah, then we have to retrace and see more upside actually. The thing is, usually after a divergence on the weekly time frame, you see a liquidity sweep to see more downside. So we have to stay focused the coming days about what's going on and what's happening on the lower time frames. So guys, but don't worry, I'll keep you guys updated, you know. Follow me on X and let's make some gains this week. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.